Hello, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Adobe Illustrator CC. In this class, I will going to talking about our Illustrator workspace. First, we need to set up our Illustrator workspace after I share with you few tools. So this class number 2, so let's see. Okay, my dear friends, you see this is Illustrator interface. So this Illustrator interface, and before you see the Photoshop interface, it's like a similar. But Illustrator, they have an advanced option and they have an advanced application. So now let's see. So this is a default interface. Now we are going to create a new interface based our work. So notice that my cursor point, see, this is typography interface, but I don't need this interface because my work is not suitable for this interface and I can't work comfortably this interface. So that I need to change interface. Okay, let's see how to create our own customizable interface. On the other hand, you got many interface from here. You can do it whatever you want. Okay, so this is automation. Notice that the change a little bit. Okay, this change, okay, is change. Actually, what kind of work you do, you can set up based on your work. But now we are going to a new space. Let's give the name tutorial. Notice that this is my create on customizable interface. First, let me share with you the plate, actually how to set up your plate and which plate you need and which plate you have to delete and it's removed from here. Okay, now I see that how to work. First, you just key hold, then drag and drop. Your left key hold and drag and drop. If you want, I don't need this plate, then you cross that. Okay, this deleted. But don't worry, you can get this plate from window option. There's a several option here. What kind of tool you need with your project, you can take away from this option. Okay, let me notice that. Just I click the layer. Let's see. The layer option is already here, that's why you can't see anything. Just hold your key and drag and drop. Look, I destroyed this plate. Now I create my own plate, which I comfortably work. Actually, what kind of tool I need. Now I select that. Okay, so I delete this. I don't want, and this one. Okay, so first I need artboard. Hold key and you drag on your artboard, which artboard is the main. And when you notice your blue line, you look, then you release the button. It's set up. Okay, or you can do one layer. You set up many plates. For example, this is the artboard. Oh, first I need alignment, of course. So alignment, I can see here any alignment. So I need to set up from here. So where is the alignment? This is the alignment. Okay, just check. Where is the alignment? Look, I got alignment. This is the alignment. Now I want to this plate including this plate. Okay, you can do it. Just so notice that is the 3 plate together. Okay, and now I need another things, which is layer. Layer is very important. Check on this is layer. Now I include the bottom. Okay, notice that when you got a blue button borderless, then you release the button set automatically. Okay, I delete these things. I don't want text prompt. It's sometime it's needed, so I keep it together. And the color, it's so very important. Now it's I keep it this layer plate, as which I don't want symbol. I don't want this plate, and this is sometime it's needed. I include this plate here, okay. And you can get a lot of option from this window option, okay. And you can reset your interface from this option, okay. So this is the reset. If you want to reset this tutorial, then you can do it. I hope you understand how to customize and how to set up your own workspace. So let's go to the work. Okay, first I share with you two tools. Oh, before I want to understand to you, this is an option. This is the main option. We learn this part by part. When I see any project, when I work with any project, then I need to use this option. Before it's a hide, you see this is the hide. When I take any object, when I work with any project, then its option will work, okay. After it's not working. Okay, first I want to share with you this tool. So we need to take new documents. So first we need take new documents. From your keyboard, just press Ctrl N. First you need to give your document title. So this is, so it's certainly tutorial. Look, this is a title bar, which is your project title bar, okay. And this is an option. So now I understand to you first this tool. This is selection tool. On the other hand, it's shortcut V, okay. And you see the next tools under two tools here, direct selection tool and group selection tool, okay. So how to work this tool, let's know. So first I take a few objects so that I understand to you better. I just select and click on this color, then this color is got automatically. Select and this color, okay. This is the selection tools. Just you select any object easily by this tool, okay. You can select easily. Now let's see what does direct selection tool, okay. So I select a direct selection tool, and I select on the corner, okay. Notice that your option bar is a few option. I got it. So this is the alignment part, and the next option is a horizontal and vertical value, okay. And I leave that. Look, this is a very important two tools here. One tool is anchor point corner, and this is anchor point smooth, okay. So let's see how to work that. So first I click that, and you can anything, you can change your shape, you can change your shape, you can move your anchor point easily, okay. And the next option is this is smooth, okay. You can smooth your corner, you can do it. What kind of shape you need, move also this point, okay. Okay, I think you got it. And the next option is group selection tool, okay. So what is the work group selection tool? Let's see. Oh, before I want to share with you, this is look, your two color option here. This is fill color, which is background color, and this is a what? This is a stock color. In this shape have a stock, but you can see properly because this shape with is similar, so that you understand, okay. Look, the border colors is black. Now I change it. So, and another option is border value, okay. Now I give a border value 16. You see this is the border, and I include here some border style. Now look, this is the border style, many style here you can getting from this option, and this is basic or some style here you can do it, okay. Okay, another option is border opacity. You can change your border opacity, okay. This is the 100% is default. Now I decrease. You see, not only border opacity, it's also change our whole shape opacity, okay. So I think you got it. This is alignment. Okay, you can alignment any position. So this is center, but now it's customizable, it's better. Okay, now let's see what is the group selection tool. Okay, so this is a group selection tools. Notice that not change at all any option. Okay, so group selection tool is move your whole anchor point. So here 5 anchor point here, but it's all anchor point is move together. Okay, so the next option is magic tool. So let's see actually how to work a magic tool. Before I need a few shape or few object, because its magic tool work just particularly on color, so that I need to take a few object. Let's copy this object. Okay, let's copy this object. Let's copy this object. Okay, and then select magic tool, and look, when I click on object, but it's select all object is the similar color, all object. Okay, when I click this object is a select all object is a on color all object. Okay, when I select all object is select all color. If you select this is selection tool, is not select whole color. If you select group selection tool, it's not select whole color. Okay, just its work is a magic tool. Select whole color and you move easily anywhere. Now let's see the lasso tool. What does lasso tool? So lasso tool also doing select any object. Let's see. So if you see just on object is selected. Okay, but if you select the whole project to your area, if you round your whole project and select your whole project, the boundary type, then select all object and you can move easily. Okay, but if you select on object, it's not select all object. Okay, I think you got what kind of tool I share with you. If you have any confuse and if you have any question on this tutorial, comment section below. Please comment me. I will reply your comment. As far as I know, this Illustrator is very important for our graphics designer or web designer. So if you are the own person, you're going to learn any design, then you should take this course. So in this class, enough for today. See you the next video. Have a good day.